Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison. So you know you're not dressed appropriately for court, right?
I didn't know that until I got here.
And I know you're probably going to get upset with me about the help that I'm going to give you, but I'm trying to save your life because the last time you use may be the last time you use. You already admitted that you're on heroin. That's not a good thing.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got a courtroom clip that's really stirring up conversation. It features Judge Boyd and a defendant who, believe it or not, showed up to court under the influence. Yes, you heard that right. It's not every day you see something like this happen in a courtroom. What makes this situation even more surprising is how Judge Boyd chooses to handle it. Instead of reacting with anger or instantly throwing down the harshest sentence, she takes a completely unexpected approach, one that might actually make you rethink how justice should work. Stick around, because this one takes a few emotional turns. And let me know your thoughts as you watch. Should someone face maximum punishment for showing up high to court? Or is there room for understanding and second chances? Let's dive in and see how Judge Boyd decides to deal with this unusual case involving a defendant who's facing up to 20 years.
Hello.
Hi, so you know you're not dressed appropriately for court, right?
I didn't know that until I got here.
All right, so next time you appear in court, you're not allowed to wear the T-straps. If you want to wear that, I know it's hot outside. You'll need to put on a jacket or something. You understand? All right. Court is calling 2024 CR 1728, State of Texas versus Angel Marie Bustos. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Your Honor.
Defense?
Ninfa Gallegos Carrillo.
All right. And are you Miss Bustos?
Yes.
Counsel, you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Bustos, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
Did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
You are, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I didn't.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Yes.
State, any evidence? All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we would like to ask the court to some assistance with the fine. The state has already lowered the fine, so she can.
I'll probate the fine.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. And also, she needs some help with drugs, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have any children?
I did. I got 2 of them that are already old enough, 18 and 19, and then my 2 youngest passed away. So no.
I'm sorry about that.
Thank you.
All right. When's the last time you had employment?
2019. I'm actually applied for disability.
All right. And what is your disability for?
I have mental illness
And
and
what-
arthritis, 3 types of arthritis and mental illness.
All right. You know, drugs is not helping that, right?
Yeah, I know. I've been try getting off. The withdrawals hurt really bad. I'm tired of it. I really am. I do it only just because of the pain, but I'm trying to get off of it. I do need help.
All right. So who is Melissa Marie Barrera to you?
That's my cousin's baby mama.
Okay. I have to do the mental gymnastics. And who is Mark Anthony Bustos?
My cousin.
All right. And who is the person you're with in court today?
That's my boyfriend.
All right. Where is he?
Right there.
All right. All right.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. And do you have any family support?
Just him.
Where's your family?
My mom died, my dad died, pretty much everyone passed away. I have my brothers, but one's in prison, the other one I don't talk to. So he's my family.
So that's why we're asking the court for some assistance, Your Honor. She needs some support from this court in order to help her with that addiction.
All right, this is what the court, and if you're drug tested today, it's going to be
It's gonna
positive.
be positive, man.
All right, I appreciate your honesty.
Now, even though this woman clearly isn't in her best state of mind, you can tell she's struggling. It's hard not to feel at least a little sympathy for her. There's something about the way she speaks and acts that gives off a sense of innocence and pain at the same time. Normally, I'm the first one to call out people who make poor decisions in court, but this one feels different. You can almost see that she's been through some tough experiences in life, and maybe this moment is a reflection of that. We've all faced personal battles, maybe not like hers, but struggles nonetheless. Legally speaking, there's also something called competency to stand trial. If someone is under the influence or mentally unfit, the court might have to reconsider the entire case. So this situation could actually raise real questions about whether she's even able to participate properly in her own hearing. What do you think? Can she turn things around? Or is this another example of someone too far gone to change? Let's see how things unfold next.
Now, I'm going to give you help today, and I know you're probably going to get upset with me about the help that I'm going to give you, but I'm trying to save your life because the last time you use may be the last time you use.
Okay.
So I'm going to do $1,000 fine. It's going to be probated. I'm going to give you 6 years deferred adjudication, proof of employment, or SSI within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. We're going to do the UA hotline, going to do a TAP evaluation, felony drug court referral, and Esperanza court referral. That's going to take place in custody. I'm going to ask for 120 sober meetings in 120 days. There should be no contact with Melissa Marie Barrera, Mark Anthony Bustos. Going to want field visits 1 time per month until further notice, and 200 hours of community service restitution. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
Is it just me? Or does Judge Boyd genuinely seem to care about this woman? In so many courtrooms, judges tend to hand down punishment without much thought to what led a person there. But Judge Boyd's approach feels different. She's calm, thoughtful, and clearly trying to see the person behind the problem. Rather than lecturing or punishing out of frustration, she listens. She recognizes that this woman might not need more punishment. She might need help. That level of empathy is rare in the justice system today, and it's honestly refreshing to see. Drug addiction is one of the most difficult challenges society faces, and locking people away doesn't always fix it. Sometimes it makes it worse. If more judges took the time to see the human side of these cases, maybe we'd see fewer relapses and more recoveries. Judge Boyd's compassion here feels like a small but powerful step in the right direction. So what's your take? Do you think showing empathy in cases like this helps people change? Or does it risk being too lenient?
I was referral first.
Yes.
Pending outcome. I can't have 2 referrals.
No. We'll do felony drug court first.
Okay, thanks.
And if she's not accepted there, which if you're honest with them, they'll accept you.
Okay.
And then if she's not accepted there, we'll do Esperanza court.
Thank you.
All right.
Nothing further.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, I did.
All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We're off the record. To be successful in this court, you need to make sure that you're in contact with probation. If you feel it as though probation is not addressing an issue with you, you can always come in this court. We'll be here.
Okay.
All right. The other thing is felony drug court is a good program. It's something that you need. You're probably going to need inpatient treatment. But if you are accepted to felony drug court will be monitoring your situation. and they have a judge there, and that judge is Judge Glenn. He'll be monitoring how you're doing. The only time I will see you is if you're graduating, and I'll show up to your graduation, or if they send you back here because they say there's nothing else that they can do.
Okay,
All right?
Okay.
And if you want me to show up at your graduation, I will definitely show up to your graduation. Okay?
thank you.
So what's going to happen today is the deputies are going to take you into custody. If there's anything that you want to see, want to give to your boyfriend, just let them know.
How long is it gonna be?
Yeah,
Because one, you already admitted that you're on heroin. That's not a good thing. Because the last time you use could be the last time you use.
okay,
And because here's the thing, if you could have, you would have at least came in the court sober. So what will end up happening is felony drug court, it's Tuesday. They'll probably be able to get to see her because I'm going to sign the order immediately for them to interview you. So they'll probably be able to see you before this week is out, and you need to let them know that you're interested in being in their program, and then they will take over supervision. If they think you need inpatient treatment, they'll give you inpatient treatment. If they think you need outpatient treatment, they'll give you outpatient treatment. Okay?
Usually, I'm pretty skeptical about court rulings because it often feels like the justice system either goes too easy or too hard. But this time, I'm honestly impressed by how balanced Judge Boyd's decision is. Instead of sending the defendant straight to prison, she's been given 6 years of adjudication, basically a structured chance to clean up her act and prove she can do better. That's not just mercy, that's strategy. It's a way to push her toward accountability without completely destroying her future. And when you think about the fact that she's a mother of 2, that second chance could be life-changing, not only for her, but also for her kids. Still, this case highlights a much bigger issue. In America, we often treat addiction as a crime instead of a disease. We focus more on punishment than on recovery. But maybe stories like this can remind us that real justice isn't just about retribution. It's about giving people the tools to rebuild their lives. If she can truly turn things around, this could inspire others who are struggling to seek help before it's too late. And honestly, we need more examples like this. Cases that prove compassion and accountability can work together. So what do you guys think? Can this woman really change her life after everything she's done? Or will she fall back into old habits? Let's hope this is the start of something better. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoy these real courtroom stories, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We post new content every single day. See you in the next one.